right, we're back. Let's do this for real this time. So if you caught me before, I guess, had a little bit of troubles because it was really a Python environment problem. So now that we got that fixed, I actually have some instructions. Excuse me. All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna share my screen. Let's do entire. Actually, before I do that, do a thing real quick. Okay. For real this time, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up Ergo-MCP. I mean, basically, we did it the exact same way as we did before. I'm not gonna delete it this time, but we'll start over. So we're going to open up Cursor. We're going to navigate to, and while we're doing this, I'm going to clone a repo. Okay. To do that. All right. We'll do that here in a sec. I'm going to do HTTPS. And actually, I want the test branch because that's what I was just working on. And I'm going to clone this. Get clone, paste that in there, boom. Where do we want to put it? Geez, we'll just put it in my desktop or desktop documents. Okay. Now we will see. I do have an MCP. It's already working, and we'll test that out really quick once again. So this is my node wallet, not my node. Yeah, it is a node wallet. And I'm running, tell me all you can find about this address, please. Cool. While that's loading, you can write quickly. I'll just say, hey, this is a grid trading. So from there, once we have that download, while that's running over here, we're going to locate this run server script. We're going to look at the README really quick. Right, so, Ergo Node API, server port, things like that. I know we just put it in here. Oh, you know what? I'm all over the place. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. I'm like, where is this? Okay. Cool. So here's the analysis. It holds 1.61 erg. Let's see. Does it? It does. That's awesome. Has a bunch of different tokens. 17 in, 3 are self transactions sent to itself. Okay, interesting. I guess it's maybe, no, that's probably not what that is. Appears to be an active participant in the ecosystem, likely involved with mining operations, particularly the Sigmanauts mining pool. Awesome. So this is what it does. So now let's set it up. So I'm going to go to my MCPs. I'm just going to delete this and we'll just walk through it. So let's pull up the README. Let's run through that. So we're going to, so we cloned it. We're in here now. So we're going to do python-m-venv. Do pip install -r requirements. Sweet. I already have it. So, okay, we don't need to do that. I'm going to do copy.env.example.v. Cool. And that mostly everything should be ready to go. We'll just test it. How embarrassing would it be if it didn't work? Okay, cool. All right. And then from there, right. Oh, that's funny. HTTPX. All right, let's install that real quick. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Anyways. Oh, right. Whoops, let's not do that. Let's do that one more time. We weren't in the environment. Okay. Go to Claude. Sweet. So then look for this guy in the VNV. That's all right. I'm just going to go to the bin. I'm going to copy the path. Bin Python. And then we're going to run server. We're going to copy that. Okay. Okay, we're going to painfully. No. That's so weird. Okay. So just do that. Copy path. Maybe I picked the wrong copy. All right. Copy. Back over here, we'll go to MCP, add MCP, Ergo, watching. Command, boom. Cool, it works, that's awesome. So now we can pick any model we want in cursor, do 3.5. Again, doesn't really matter. So now we'll go over to Spectrum Finance. This is a DEX wallet. Let's see if this wallet doesn't break what I have currently in here. Cool, so it's like, all right, sweet, it's an Ergo wallet. That's awesome. Let's see. Okay, it's pretty slow. I think that's just because of my internet right now. Let's see. Wait, because I'm streaming too. Okay, cool. And you can like see, right? It's like, all right, here's the address. Here's its balance, right? All right, let's get the transaction history. So it's getting of that address. I'm not sure what that's from. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Let's rig the system. Oh, thinks it's a transaction. That's not a transaction ID. Okay, cool. See if it's a token. It's a weird time with my cursor stuff today. There's like a weird bug in the current version I have, and it's like unbearable. This, oh wow, this is really wrong. That's hilarious. Oh wait, no, it's not. This is the, Oh, I understand why it was taking so long now. Okay, so what is this one? See, I'm all over the place. Okay. Okay, so cool. This is something that I need to probably fix. Yeah. Cool. Good to know. So I can't tell you that. And then this, right? This is the deck, so it took quite a long time. Nothing in particular, right? Nothing like we couldn't figure out kind of just by looking at the Explorer. So, but this is sort of the beginning of like what I'd like for it to be able to do, obviously, and then kind of we can build on from there and add more sort of deeper layers, deeper questions you can kind of ask with this. But super simple sort of integration just with like the mere API key. So this is just something that, again, we can pull together with APIs from the Explorer and then the node. And then from there, we can add a little bit more analysis and then give that tool to the AI. And then when it thinks it should, encounter and use that tool, it can. Cool. Let's just do like another one real quick. So this is the Signauts mining pool. I'm going to start a new chat. Obviously, right, I'm testing it. I'm telling it it's not an address, but it's like, okay, hey, I'll help you analyze this address. Trying to see like how little context you can give it. We'll tell you, and then we'll just take a peek on the actual Explorer. And obviously, right, this is like so much faster. I don't think this would actually replace an actual Explorer. But in these cases, so obviously, right, it can pull effectively what we have in the wallet. 1,000 transactions. It's received this much. It's sent out that much. I don't think this is true. That can't be true. 98 erg. I mean, this alone, all these over here. Transaction, yeah. Cool. So again, there's some things that could probably need to fix. Like that's very interesting. But again, pretty cool. All right, guys. So I just wanted to make a short video. Last time I was having some problems, but in any case, this is how you get this initial version of this MCP server online. I have some other ideas that would be kind of neat to enable. Imagine if you put in your mnemonic in an environment file, and you could say, "Hey, send this to somebody." It'd be cool if it built the transaction and things like that for you, or operate certain trades. And so basically, we need to be able to create these MCPs, and then that'll give it enough like actions it'll be able to take and then integrate within the Ergo blockchain. So for example, it would be interesting to let it drive the grid trading and see, oh, hey, how am I doing? Oh, you're not doing great. Make a different trade. Anyhow. All right, cool. Well, let me turn this thing off. You guys have a nice Sunday. Peace.